उद्धरेदात्मनात्मानं नात्मानमवसादयेत् आत्मैव ह्यात्मनो बन्धुर् आत्मैव रिपुरात्मनः. Om. So this is a very beautiful shlok from the 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, in which Lord Krishna says that a person can lift himself by his own mind and can break himself down as well, because the mind can be your greatest friend and the mind can be your greatest enemy. Hare Krishna everyone, my name is Tanya Sharma and I'm 22 years old, a yoga teacher, a content creator and someone who deeply believes that all of us here holds the power to change our life. And today I want to talk about something very simple, where we come from. So where do we actually come from? I really hope that somewhere going ahead in your life, you might have felt so confused and lost that like what you're doing, where you're going, and what is the meaning of your life is, because I have. And most of us think that we come from our background. We think that we come from our family. We think that we come from our school, our college, and our past. But what if I tell you that we don't come from any of that? What if I tell you that we come from our inner state of mind, that we come from here within? So let me take you back to 2021, a year that changed my life completely. I was doing my graduation and I met with an accident. An accident that made me so helpless, that broke my spine so badly that my doctor said that I had to go through a surgery, not just any surgery, but a surgery that will take something that I love the most in my life, my ability to move freely. He told me that I might not be able to walk, I might not be able to do the physical activities that I used to do normally again. In that moment, standing in that cabin with him in front of me, I went completely blank. And for the very first time in my life, I felt that there is no meaning of life, ahead of this. I don't want to live a life where I am not able to do something that I love the most from my heart. But something shifted. Just a moment, just a minute of being and feeling the lowest I've ever felt in my life, I paused and I gave myself a confirmation. I gave myself the confrontation, an inner voice that said me that I don't want to give up on my life, that I don't want the situation to define me. I came out of the cabin with a very heartless hope, but suddenly, because I was already introduced to the idea of yoga, because I was doing my graduation from it, I was already introduced with the idea that I know yoga holds the power to heal me. So instead of giving up, I chose that I will immerse myself into the therapeutic yoga, whatever that I have learned under the guidance of my guru, and I will surrender myself towards it with my whole heart. I will surrender myself into it with my whole heart. So just as the author of a very famous book, the very beautiful book Atomic Habits, James Clear says, that the small efforts that are being done for a longer period of time holds the power to build the larger results in the future. I did the same. I did every single effort that I can make myself to make my body feel strong, to make myself feel connected with life again, and to bring balance into my life. And by his grace, what happened, I started seeing my body responding towards it. I stayed consistent for 6 months and I saw the possibility that my body is responding so positively that I could finally move again, that I can finally walk, I could finally run without any pain inside my body. It took me 2.5 years to heal myself properly, and today I stand here. Today I stand here with the healthiest version of mine, the version that holds the vision that I want people around me to see, that they hold this power to heal themselves too. Trust me, no one, literally no one, has the right to tell you that you cannot achieve something in your life, that you do not have the power to hold you. So there is a very beautiful and powerful realization that I had from my journey, the powerful realization that came from within through all the years that went by, that it's not our problems, it's not our past that we come from. We come from here within. We come from our response. We come from our inner state of mind. And that is something that taught me that how a situation can break a person, it also holds the power to build you. How? It depends on your inner state. The choice is always yours. So today, even science supports this, that yoga, mindful breathing, movement holds the power to regulate your nervous system. It reduces stress and it supports your body's natural healing process as well. So today, here as this generation standing here in front of you, I know we are not weak. We are just overwhelmed. There's so many expectations on us. There's so much pressure. There's so much noise around us telling us to do this or that. Really hope moving forward, I just one message that I want to give you, that whenever moving forward in your life, if you ever feel lost, if you ever feel that you're not able to recognize who you are, or you start questioning your own journey, I hope that you give yourself the permission to slow down. I hope that you give yourself the permission that you are allowed to heal at your own pace. I hope that you give yourself the permission to sit with yourself, to breathe, to place your heart on yourself and tell yourself that the power that I hold within myself is much stronger than the situation that is making me feel in this particular way right now. So right now here, where do we actually come from? We come from within. We come from our state of mind, because when we sit with stillness, clarity comes. Clarity can never come from noise. Clarity comes when the stillness is there. So the same, the moment you will start giving yourself time, instead of just sitting there scrolling endlessly, you will allow yourself to feel your inner world. You're going to recognize you hold much more that you ever felt that you have been. So this talk is just about giving a simple message at the end, that when you sit with yourself, when you start connecting, when you start building that strength and the belief, the path becomes clearer. The mind becomes clearer, the mind becomes still, and life starts making sense again. Thank you so much.